to the 5-minute Ballerina Body Series. I'm Alessia. Today I want you to get sweaty. I want you to really get that body worked in only 5 minutes. So this is why we're going to start with cardio. So I'm not going to delay it. We are going to get a little bit of fitness, yes, but I want you to dance it. I want you to feel the flow just like a ballerina. I'm not going to say anything else. Let's do it. Let's dance it. All right, let's start with our 5 minutes. All right, start walking already because I want the heart rate to go. Okay, so nothing too fancy. I know that we are having that time nice and easy at the moment. So knees up and really kind of walking with the knees up. Okay, you can either breathe in, you know, nice and slow, up and down. Yeah, that's what the knees are doing. In and out, that's usually what breathing does. Okay, and walking. Or if you want that extra, we can go breathe in and pushing down now. And in and out. Nice and straight hands. It's not swanny today. It's and out. Very good. Can you feel the legs and everything kind of going? Very good. Breathe in. And now, very nice. From here, nice and long in front of us. Very good. Nice attitude. Pointing feet. Beautiful. And breathe. Oh yes, we're working on stamina because that's what cardios do to you. Very good. And breathe without losing balance. Very nice. And breathe. And the more you squeeze that bus as well, yeah, the quicker your legs are gonna go. Very good. Very nice. And breathe. And from here, you guys are gonna go down and breathe. And breathe. Nice and twisty. Down and breathe. And breathe. And again. Good. No need to jump a lot to get sweaty. Yeah. And the heart rate going. Good. And breathe. Breathe. Breathe back to center. Walk. Nice. Point those toes. Oh yes. It's a marchy march, but the feet are pointy, pointy, pointy. Very good. From here, straight to attitude. Good. Beautiful. And breathe. It's getting faster, I know. Very nice. And this time we're going to do the same movement as before, but rather than going down, we're going up and up. Very good. Up. Through first and out to the side. Good. And in. And in. In. Good. Breathe. Ooh. Nice. Beautiful. Ooh. Good. Going down. Go down. Down with the twist. Through first. And first. Whoa. Nice. Keep on going. Breathe. Breathe. Beautiful. And go in the middle. From here we go. Attitude smaller. And breathe. This time with Swan Lake Arms. Very good. And down. Good. Up. And down. Beautiful. Up. And down. For fun, we're gonna go a little jumpy. Very good. Small. And breathe. Nice and pointy. We go to the back. And down. Good. Up. And down. In front. Ooh. La. Beautiful. Here, nothing is happening. Down. Everything is on fire. Good. And down. And up. And down. Breathe. Down. Good. And moment of breather. Good. Viva, viva to the air. Viva. Through first. Viva. Through first. Good. And breathe. Whew. And breathe. And from here, point. Little spring point with those beautiful arms. Good. And down. And up. And down. Good. Through first. Take a bow. One side. Take a bow. The other. And you did the 5 minutes. Woohoo! What? 5 minutes was not enough for you? All right, I've got a 5-day free workout plan ready for you right in the description box below. You just need to grab it right away, right now. And you want more? Well, then do this video right here. It's going to get you sweaty, I promise. But the plan first.